Tired of the same old vegan fare? Get ready to discover the world's most exciting destinations for plant-based foodies, where exotic flavors and innovative dishes await you at every turn. I'm Todd, and if there's one thing I've learned on my travels, it's that food is the universal language, a gateway to understanding culture, tradition, and the incredible creativity of people. And when it comes to vegan food, the world is bursting with vibrant, delicious, and utterly surprising experiences that go far beyond a simple salad. Join me as we embark on a global culinary adventure, a journey to uncover the hidden gems and celebrated hotspots of the vegan world. We're not just talking about finding a vegan option. We're talking about destinations where plant-based eating is an art form, a celebration, a core part of the culinary identity. From bustling street food stalls to elegant dining rooms, we'll explore how different cultures are embracing and innovating vegan cuisine, proving that compassion and flavor can go hand in hand, creating meals that nourish both body and soul. So, pack your appetite and your sense of adventure because we're about to dive into a bucket list of destinations that will tantalize your taste buds and inspire your next journey. We'll explore the stories behind the food, meet the passionate people crafting these incredible dishes, and hopefully ignite a new passion for plant-based exploration. This isn't just about what we eat, but how food connects us to the world and to each other. Let's get started on this incredible vegan voyage. Our first stop takes us to a city that has truly embraced the plant-based revolution, Berlin, Germany. Now I know what you might be thinking. Germany, land of bratwurst and schnitzel? But let me tell you, Berlin has undergone a stunning transformation, emerging as a veritable vegan paradise often hailed as the vegan capital of Europe. Walking through its vibrant neighborhoods from Kreuzberg to Prenzlauer Berg, you can feel an electrifying energy. It's a city that's not afraid to reinvent itself, and that spirit extends deeply into its food scene. The sheer abundance and variety of vegan options here are astounding, seamlessly woven into the fabric of daily life. What I find so captivating about Berlin is how veganism isn't just a niche here, it's mainstream, it's cool, and it's incredibly accessible. You can find dedicated vegan supermarkets, fashion boutiques, and even tattoo parlors. But the food, oh the food! From the iconic street food like vegan currywurst that rivals its meaty counterpart, to plant-based doner kebabs that are a flavor explosion in every bite, Berlin proves that you don't have to sacrifice tradition or taste when you go vegan. The city's history of innovation and counterculture has paved the way for a culinary landscape where creativity knows no bounds, and plant-based chefs are leading the charge with passion and ingenuity. And it's not just about casual bites. Berlin's upscale vegan dining scene is equally impressive, pushing the boundaries of what plant-based cuisine can be. We're talking multi-course tasting menus, innovative techniques, and restaurants that are destinations in their own right, celebrated for their artistry and commitment to sustainability. Imagine sitting down to a beautifully crafted meal, where every ingredient tells a story, a testament to the fertile ground Berlin provides for culinary experimentation. It's this blend of gritty street food charm and sophisticated gastronomy that makes Berlin an unmissable stop for any vegan foodie. The city truly offers a full spectrum of plant-based delights, reflecting its dynamic and forward-thinking spirit. Next, we journey to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, to a city that pulses with life, flavor, and an astonishing array of plant-based options, Tel Aviv, Israel. This city is a true melting pot, and its cuisine reflects that beautiful diversity. What strikes you immediately about Tel Aviv is the sheer vibrancy, the bustling markets like Carmel Market, the lively beachfront cafes, and an energy that's utterly infectious. And for vegans, it's like stepping into a dream. It's estimated that a significant portion of Israelis identify as vegan or vegetarian, and Tel Aviv is the dazzling epicenter of this movement, making it one of the most vegan-friendly cities on the planet. The cornerstone of Tel Aviv's vegan scene is, of course, its incredible Middle Eastern fare, which is naturally rich in plant-based ingredients. Think creamy hummus so good it'll change your life, crispy falafel bursting with herbs and spices, savage sandwiches overflowing with fried eggplant and fresh salads, all inherently vegan or easily adaptable. The emphasis on fresh, local produce is palpable. You can taste the sunshine in every bite. It's food that's been perfected over generations, deeply rooted in tradition yet feels incredibly fresh and relevant. Exploring the food stalls and small eateries, you uncover layers of history and flavor, a testament to the region's bountiful harvest. But Tel Aviv isn't just resting on its traditional laurels. The city is a hotbed of culinary innovation, with chefs constantly reimagining classic dishes and creating entirely new plant-based experiences. You'll find dedicated vegan restaurants pushing the envelope with gourmet creations, from sophisticated plant-based seafood alternatives to decadent dairy-free desserts that are pure artistry. It's this exciting fusion of ancient culinary wisdom and modern creativity that makes Tel Aviv so special. The city's chefs are not just catering to vegans. They are leading a culinary movement, proving that plant-based food can be exciting, diverse, and incredibly satisfying for everyone. The passion for good food here is incredible. Now let's hop across the Pacific to a city renowned for its unique charm, progressive spirit, and an absolutely phenomenal vegan food scene, Portland, Oregon, in the USA. Portland has long been a haven for those who march to the beat of their own drum, and this independent, eco-conscious ethos is reflected brilliantly in its culinary landscape. Keep Portland Weird is more than just a slogan here. It's a way of life that encourages creativity and individuality, especially when it comes to food. The city's commitment to sustainability and local sourcing makes it a natural fit for a thriving plant-based culture, and trust me, Portland delivers in spades. One of the absolute highlights of Portland's vegan scene, and something I find endlessly fascinating, is its legendary food truck culture. These aren't just your average food trucks, they are culinary incubators, launching pads for some of the most innovative and delicious vegan food you'll find anywhere. Imagine entire pods or gatherings of food trucks dedicated exclusively to plant-based eats, offering everything from vegan BBQ that could fool a Texan, to gourmet mac and cheese, to international street food from every corner of the globe, all made without animal products. The ingenuity on display is just incredible, and the passion of these food truck chefs is truly inspiring. It's a vibrant, ever-changing scene. Beyond the incredible food trucks, Portland boasts an amazing array of vegan bakeries that will make your sweet tooth sing. Think flaky croissants, decadent cakes, and of course those famous Portland donuts, all entirely plant-based. The city's cafes and restaurants embrace an eco-conscious dining culture, often featuring farm-to-table menus and a strong sense of community. It's a place where veganism isn't an afterthought, but a celebrated choice, deeply integrated into the city's identity. Dining in Portland feels like being part of a movement, a community that values conscious consumption, creativity, and above all, seriously delicious food. It's a city that truly nourishes the soul. Our culinary journey now takes us to Southeast Asia, to the enchanting city of Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. Nestled amidst misty mountains and ancient temples, Chiang Mai offers a different kind of vegan experience, one that is deeply intertwined with local culture and tradition. There's a serenity here, a slower pace of life that invites you to savor every moment and every bite. Thai cuisine, with its masterful balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, is already a dream for many food lovers. And in Chiang Mai, the plant-based interpretations are simply exquisite, showcasing the incredible bounty of the region. The heart of Chiang Mai's vegan offerings can often be found in its vibrant fresh markets, like the famous Warawat Market, also known as Kad Luang. Walking through these markets is an assault on the senses in the best possible way, a kaleidoscope of colorful fruits and vegetables, aromatic herbs and spices, and the friendly smiles of local vendors. It's here you truly understand the foundation of Thai cooking: fresh, seasonal ingredients. Many traditional Thai dishes are naturally vegan, or can be easily adapted. Think fragrant green curries made with coconut milk, spicy som tam, or papaya salad without the fish sauce, or delightful stir-fried noodles like pad see ew, all bursting with authentic Thai flavors. What makes Chiang Mai particularly special for plant-based eaters is its annual vegetarian festival, usually held in October. This 9-day Taoist celebration sees the city transform, with yellow flags indicating vegetarian and often vegan food stalls popping up everywhere. It's a period of purification and merit-making, and the culinary creativity during this time is astounding. You'll find an incredible variety of mock meats, elaborate vegetable dishes, and unique local specialties prepared specifically for the festival. It showcases how deeply ingrained plant-based eating can be within cultural traditions, and the community spirit during this time is truly something to behold. It's a city that offers not just food, but a rich cultural immersion. For our final destination on this vegan bucket list tour, we're heading down under to Melbourne, Australia, a city celebrated worldwide for its dynamic art scene, passionate coffee culture, and an incredibly diverse and sophisticated food landscape. Melbourne is a true global city, a melting pot of cultures, and this multiculturalism is vividly reflected in its vegan offerings. It's a place where innovation thrives, and the plant-based scene is no exception, constantly evolving and surprising visitors with its creativity and quality. I've always been drawn to cities that wear their culinary hearts on their sleeves, and Melbourne does just that. The cafe culture in Melbourne is legendary, and vegan options are not just present, they are often the stars of the menu. From expertly brewed coffee with a plethora of plant-based milks to elaborate vegan brunches that are as beautiful as they are delicious, think towering pancake stacks, inventive tofu scrambles, and stunning acai bowls. Melbourne's cafes are a vegan's delight. There's a genuine passion for good food and good coffee here, and a commitment to catering to diverse dietary preferences with style and substance. It's a city where you can easily spend days just hopping from one amazing vegan-friendly cafe to another. But Melbourne's vegan scene extends far beyond its cafes. The city's multicultural influences mean you can find incredible plant-based versions of dishes from all over the world, from Italian to Vietnamese, Ethiopian to Greek. The vibrant food markets like the iconic Queen Victoria Market are treasure troves of fresh produce and artisanal vegan products. Chefs in Melbourne are not afraid to experiment, blending traditional techniques with modern plant-based innovations, resulting in a dining scene that is both exciting and deeply satisfying. It's this fusion of global flavors, high-quality ingredients, and a forward-thinking culinary mindset that makes Melbourne a truly world-class destination for any plant-based foodie. And there you have it, 5 incredible destinations that should be on every vegan foodie's travel bucket list. From the revolutionary spirit of Berlin to the sun-kissed flavors of Tel Aviv, the quirky creativity of Portland, the serene traditions of Chiang Mai, and the multicultural dynamism of Melbourne, it's clear that the world of plant-based cuisine is more exciting and diverse than ever before. I hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and shown you just how delicious and fulfilling vegan travel can be. But this is just the beginning. The world is vast, and I know there are so many other amazing places out there with thriving vegan scenes. That's where you come in. I would absolutely love to hear about your favorite vegan travel destinations. Where have you had an unforgettable plant-based meal? Which city surprised you with its vegan offerings? Please share your recommendations, your hidden gems, and your must-try dishes in the comments below. Let's build a community of passionate vegan explorers and inspire each other's next adventures. If you enjoyed this culinary tour and want more plant-based travel inspiration, tips, and delicious discoveries from around the globe, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future adventures. Thank you so much for joining me, Todd Show, on this journey. Remember, every meal is an opportunity for discovery, and the world is full of incredible flavors waiting to be explored. Until next time, happy travels and happy eating.